Well, it's Wednesday. The ethanol plant isn't taking corn today, so I'm going to take a little time here and see if I can get the blade on the TD9. When I left you before, I was at putting these bolts in, so I used the hammer for a little persuasion. I know these bolts are long, but they're the ones that came out of it, and they're the ones that are going back in it. I have to unwind my cable. Or correctly said, wire roll. Now when this was hooked up to the scraper, the rope from the scraper came in through this fair lead, up over the top of this shiv, and then down to the drum here. But now we pull the fair lead around so the cable for the blade comes in here up over the top of that shiv and down to the drum. One thing you'll notice is this top shiv moves from side to side. That way when it winds on the drum down here, it follows back and forth on that drum when it winds up. So now I have to thread it through the fair lead and up over this shiv and down and attach it to the drum. This looks to be 3/4 inch, maybe it's 5, but I think it's actually a size heavier than it would need to be. And we'll see how hard it is to thread through there. I'm sure it'll be a lot tougher than it was when I took it out. And how come when you're working with wire rope, the curl always seems to want to go in a different direction than you want it I don't know if you can see it, but I have to get this pushed in here to go up through here to that top shiv. So I'm struggling at pushing this in to fit through the hole to go up through there. Now I have to guide it up around this shiv. I think I got it started. I have to put a block of wood in here. Keep that shiv from rotating on me. For that fairly. You can see it came out through the slot here. I gotta pull it back enough, get it down behind this piece so it comes out down here. I got it started. I think I'll give it a little bit at a time. There, and it came through. Now I have to get this drum turned down a little farther so I can get the right angle to get it connected to it. I think I'm going to try starting it, seeing I'll have to start it anyway. See how it starts in the cold. It was about 14 degrees last night. And those of you familiar with gas diesel internationals, there's supposed to be a spring that holds the lever to change it to gas, and that's broken. I got to take the hood off and a bunch of stuff to get at it. So right now I've always just been putting a pipe in place to hold it. Oh, that ain't sounding promising. Usually it pops off. And the gas is, you know, is what? A week or two old? I'm trying to remember if I used gas I had in the can or if I went and got fresh stuff when I did that. But when I put that gas in last time, it fired right up. Try it again. I was really hoping it was just going to pop right off this time. I'm disappointed. Well, I don't remember the last time if I went to town and got fresh gas or it was just a can I had here. Well, this time I drained it. I went to town and got the non-ethanol premium and put a little heat in it. I put it in the tank and flushed some through the carburetor, and I haven't tried it yet, so now we're going to see if it makes a difference.